Hey guys, welcome back to 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. Tonight's bike is Carl's 2018 Road Glide out here from Las Vegas. Carl's been patient, gave us a little extra time to work on his bike. He's going to be really happy with it. This bike's got a little twist, a little off of our normal beaten path. So Carl brought us 4 DS18 6x9s, and these are them in the saddlebags. It looks pretty good. Little red basket kind of accents the black. So we custom built these dual 6x9 mounts and explained earlier in a short that we did that we're going to start fabricating these and start selling them online. Need probably about 2 weeks until we're ready to go forward with this. We're pretty busy with bikes right now, and this takes time away from doing the bikes. So right now the bikes are the important thing. So 2 weeks. I'm going to say 2 weeks to a month just because. But these are our dual 6x9 mounts that we fabricate here in-house. These are quick disconnects. As you know, we take super amount of pride in doing our quick disconnects. Identical on both sides. We don't have a lot of experience with DS18, guys. But we'll talk about, they sound good. We're happy with them. 702 Motoring has no intentions of picking up the DS18 line. So we're not going to pick up the DS18 line. We've tried for many years to do it. The problem is the ownership of the company sells their product online, and they sell it below what we should be selling it for, and we're not going to fight a company like that. So, but anyways, it's not bad product. So what he put in, he brought us 4 Pro SM 69.2s. These are 2 ohm, 250 watts RMS, 500 watts max. So now what we're doing here, we have an 800.4 running 4, 1 channel to each. That amp's putting out 200 watts a channel, going into each 200 watts RMS, going into each 6x9 that takes 250 watts RMS. So I've got a really good tune on them. I think they sound good. You know, honestly, I think they sound good. 800.4 to run the MO75T shallow horns and the grills that we fabricate here in-house, and the MS Pro 65 mid. The mid box isn't up there, but you see the mids aside there. So 1 amp for the front, 2 channels running the horns, 2 channels running the mids, 1 amp to run all 4 speakers. It's not bridged. It's a 2 ohm speaker, so each channel is putting out 200 watts. An 800.4 puts out 132 watts. This is advertised now, guys, so it actually puts out more. 132 watts times 4 at 4 ohms. 200 watts times 4 at 2 ohms. Since each speaker is a 2 ohm speaker, it's getting 200 watts. So, let me see. I think I lost my song here. I'll have to go back and get it. I haven't played this song before, guys. This is a Tom MacDonald, Satanic Rappers. It's off of his album that he sold. He didn't actually put this song on YouTube. There's no video to go with it. However, somebody has made a video, and I think it's a pretty good video. It's called Satanic Rappers, and you know, Tom MacDonald, he's to us, he speaks the truth. So listen to the words on this song. I think you guys will understand. Let me lower the phone and turn this radio up. Let's get that volume up. Oh, can't go past it. With my tune, yeah, you can. You can, guys. All right. Let me start this baby up here.
I swear these artists worship the devil. You see the symbols in their videos, it's not accidental. They sold their souls to be famous, it's not a debt they can settle. Just check the lyrics, you can hear it on every instrumental. These award shows aren't about the music or visuals. They're designed to be identical to satanic rituals. You buy tickets to concerts, you're not aware they're performing. Black mass and the fans are part of the ceremony. The industry been infected, Illuminati agendas communicate with the youth using messages in our records. It's all black magic, wanna hear the devil play the track backwards. This is facts, witchcraft in our rap albums. Celebrities have clearly been cursed. Research the conspiracy first. It's so obvious they're taunting us with Lil Uzi verse. Say it slow, sound it out. Lil Lucifer. There's devils around me. Those are my candles. So walk through the valleys and follow the shadows. Nothing can save me if I can get the angels will pick up the door.
Re, ki, di, sa, dus, sa, a, kri, tis, re, ki, di, sa, dus, sa, a, kri, tis,
I swear these artists worship the devil. You see the symbols in their videos, it's not accidental. They sold their souls to be famous, it's not a debt they can settle. Just check the lyrics, you can hear it on every instrumental. These award shows aren't about the music or visuals. They're designed to be identical to satanic rituals. You buy tickets to concerts, you're not aware they're performing. Black mass and the fans are part of the ceremony. This industry been infected, Illuminati agendas. Communicate with the youth using messages in our records. It's all black magic. Wanna hear the devil play the track backwards? This is facts, witchcraft in our rap albums. Celebrities are clearly been cursed. Research the conspiracy first. It's so obvious they're taunting us with Lil Uzi verse. Say it slow, sound it out. Lil Lucifer. There's devils around me. Those are the candles. So walk through the valleys and follow the shadows. Nothing can save me if I can carry. Angels will pick up the torch that I carry. They cannot have me. I'd rather see Look at the logos of major labels, they all been designed to imitate pentagrams or the all-seeing eye. And their artists are constantly killed and losing their lives. You know that sacrificing people's how the devil survives. They say that music can heal you, but the rhymes are like cancer. Cover one eye, make a triangle, it's satanic sign language. That label executives practice Satan's religion. And every album gets blessed cause it's a sacred tradition. There's a spirit in the lyrics, the song has a hidden meaning. Make the crowd sing all the words and they can summon a demon. You don't wanna believe that your favorite artist is evil, but he was young once too. And fame was something he needed. He sold his soul for $1. The label had what he wanted. They used his songs for their sermons. They make him look like a prophet. And there's always two sides, where there's hell, there's a heaven. And music can be beautiful or have an agenda. There's devils around me. Those are the candles. So walk through the valleys and follow the shadows. Nothing can tear me if I can carry. Angels will pick up the torch that I carry. They cannot have me. Dear God, give me your strength and give me your wisdom. Hold the demons back and keep the devil at a distance. It's been a while since I was in a church or been a Christian, but I'm praying all the time and I know that you still listen. The industry is evil, Satan infiltrates the business. These artists think it's cool, please forgive them. They know not what they're doing to the fans that they're convincing. Let my music be the exorcism. There's devils around me, those are the candles. So walk through the valleys and follow the shadows. Nothing can tear me if I can carry. Angels will pick up the torch that I carry. They cannot have me. I'd rather see gallows.
All right. It's Tom MacDonald. Satanic Rappers is the name of that song. This bike hit 126.1. It wasn't a real bassy song, but you know, you saw the lights were dimming. This bike working pretty good. This battery on this customer's bike is actually standing up pretty good to the 2 amps. Sometimes they get some batteries in here, these Harley batteries. They go down really fast, but this customer's battery works really good. So once again, for DS18 6x9s, ran it pretty hard to that song there. Got a little bit of voice coil smell, just a tiny bit. So hopefully the customer won't run it that hard. I did run it full volume on that one, but I always advise customers not to go to full volume. But if I could tune your bike to full volume, you have that extra cushion because your songs are going to vary. You're going to use a bass-heavy songs, different various things like that. So pretty successful in what we do, guys. That's why we're so busy with bikes. 702 Motoring Las Vegas. Mark's bike's almost done. We got Brandon's bike. Then we got Ricardo's bike. If you got a bike you want done, guys, bring it to me now. Bring it to me. Let me get you in line because that's the only way. I can't do appointments because there's a constant flow of bikes. And things always get delayed. things always happen where it takes a little bit longer than we state. Things come up, guys. You know, the work we do is we try to do the best as humanly possible. So Brandon's bike's going to run a little late. I'm going to let you know about that tonight, Brandon. I apologize. Ricardo's cool. He already knows what kind of work we do. He just wants his bike done right, and it will be done right. Or Ricardo's bike. So Carl, you're going to be a happy guy. Appreciate the extra time on it. See you this weekend. Oh, guess what, guys? Next bike I do is going to have a brand new Tom MacDonald song because he's coming out with a new song Friday at 9 a.m. because Friday is Tom's Day. Thanks, guys. 702 Motoring in Las Vegas.